I'm not really interested in teaching you tricks about how to draw or how to step by steps. I'm really interested in looking at what's happening in our brains when we're drawing and how we can harness that. Your drawing will definitely improve on this course, but maybe your self-awareness will also improve, and you can apply that to lots of different parts of your life. You won't necessarily leave the course with a marvellous finished drawing, but you will leave with more awareness about what's happening. And the beauty of it is that we can talk about it, we can discuss what's happening in a very cerebral and intellectual way, but then you walk out of the room and suddenly you're faced with a situation and you go straight back to the old pattern. Whereas doing the drawing actually gives us an opportunity to put into practice what we've learned. And sometimes that can feel difficult or uncomfortable. And that really shows you that there is something that you're learning that's changing. So you need a little bit of self-compassion to do this course, to actually allow yourself to feel those areas of discomfort and recognise that that is learning.